Another famous experiment that can be explained, or I should say, it can only be explained by the particle theory. It is called Brownian motion. So in the last video, at the beginning of my introduction of this chapter, I introduced this scientist, Robert Brown. He is the botanist, 係個植物學家嚟嘅。So he observed the pollen grain underwater. He observed that they are just like dancing around the water. So what actually Robert Brown observed? Now I'm going to show you the video. So what is the actual movement of these pollen grains? So here will be the picture movement of these pollen grains. 呢度一粒粒嘅其實係啲花粉嚟嘅。Robert Brown 初頭想用個 microscope 攞顯微鏡想睇下啲花粉，咁將佢滴落滴水嗰度，會發現佢有咁樣 movement， 好似自己震動咁樣。So at that time, Robert Brown actually asked the question: Are they living? 佢花粉咪自己有啲，係咪因為自己佢係生物，所以自己會喐咧 ？So he make this kind of observation. He found that the pollen grains move randomly on their own. 佢自己隨機咁樣喺普通嘅水入邊去跳動。佢初頭佢就唔知發生咩事，後來不得了。Actually, those kind of movement is also observed in some non-living things. So another video will like this.
Diluted milk. Your teacher will prepare a slide of diluted milk and put it on the stage of a microscope.
Diluted milk 稀釋咗嘅鮮奶，咁一滴水加少少鮮奶就 OK 嘅。好，我飛後少少先。So what can we observe here? What can we observe under a microscope will look like this?
These tiny bubbles are fat droplets. Look at one of the fat droplets carefully. What do you observe?
So again, you can see that these tiny dots or tiny balls are fat droplets，係啲脂肪嘅粒嚟嘅。We use a microscope to try to get a magnified image of the fat inside the milk。攞顯微鏡放大入邊啲脂肪粒，會發現一樣有呢個現象。They are just like dancing here. If you use some water inside and dilute it，攞啲水稀釋咗之後 ，the fat droplets are still dancing in the random movement. So this is very surprising. Robert Brown 當時都唔知發生咩事。Later on, Albert Einstein, a Greek scientist, 愛因斯坦 he proposed the explanation here. Actually, they're related to the water particle. So now I'm going to show you this stimulation here. Try to explain this. 做乜啊？我睇停先。What I want you to observe is you try to ignore the red balls here. 你當睇唔到啲紅色波先。What I want you to do is focus on the yellow rectangle here. Now, what I want you to observe carefully is the movement of this rectangle. 好，我再嚟啦，我會快少少嘅，再嚟。淨係望住個黃色嘅長方形。咦？好似都唔知發生咩事我快嘅少少，你就知咩事。好，我唔用普通速度批，我而家係快嘅咁批。So just focus on the rectangle here. Can you see something? This rectangle is just like moving randomly around its own position。你淨係睇住呢個長方形，咪就好似頭先嗰啲嘅fat droplets，好似頭先啲脂肪粒同埋嗰啲嘅花粉 pollen grains 一樣咯。It is shaking within the original position。佢會自己喺度咁樣震動，自己喺度咁樣震動 ，just moving randomly around its own position。Actually, Albert Einstein he proposed this thing。點解係見到啲花粉喺度喐嘅？點解係見到啲脂肪粒喺度喐嘅 ？Actually, they are being hit by the particles inside the water。佢俾啲水嘅粒子撞擊，只不過啲水嘅粒子細到肉眼睇唔到，好細好細粒，你唔覺得佢存在。如果放大啲睇嘅話，就好似呢個畫面咁樣。So imagine each red dot is a water particle， 係一個水嘅粒子的話。So these water particles, they are moving all the time. They will hit the pollen grain or the oil droplets in different direction， 會不停咁碰撞。由於呢啲嘅碰撞四面八方都有，而且唔係好一致嘅。So in overall, you will see the yellow bar here, the yellow rectangle. It's just like shaking around its original position。好，我將佢快鏡啲，你就會即係有啲頭暈啦，但係你要見到嗰個黃色嗰嚿嘢就喺原地咁樣震嘅。So I'm going to show you another stimulation here。好 ，reset 咗先。So this is reset 先。This is just like the oil droplet or the pollen grain。原地震咯，嗬，原地唔知點解自己度瘋狂亂喐。Actually is being hit by different type of water molecules. I should say water particle form one level， 啲水嘅粒子不停咁震動佢。不過由於佢真係細，佢睇唔到，我哋淨係睇到大粒嘅 oil droplet 或者係嗰啲花粉。So we can observe the random movement here. Okay, go back to the PowerPoint. So another way to explain as another model to explain that kind of phenomenon is called a kinetic motion model. So please turn to撳錯掣添。So please turn to the page textbook page 174. Sorry, 47. 147可以震到個人都諗唔到嘅。The kinetic motion model. Okay, I'll show you the video again here.
Above. Your teacher will show you a kinetic motion.
So this is called a kinetic motion model. 好，介紹下呢個 model 先。So we have a motor here， 有個摩打嘅。The motor will shake this board， 佢有塊板咁樣，個摩打喺度震嘅。So it will push the small balls to make it move and shake in different direction。佢會震起呢啲細粒波波，你瘋狂咁樣彈起嘅。Eventually, this small ball will push the red large ball here to make it shake around its original position.
Are placed inside
So let's see
the model.
what happens if I turn it on.
Turn on the model. Observe carefully the movement of the ball and what causes the ball to have this movement.
呢個其實只係一個古代版未有電腦動畫嘅時候去解釋 Brownian motion 嘅。Again, the small balls here, they move in all direction. They hit the large ball in different direction, making the large ball shake around different directions. 咁我而家呢個動作，呢個行動，呢個咁樣喐法，好，我哋唔歧視嘅，我唔係痙攣，我唔係啲咩嘢，我唔係有病，呢個咁樣隨機咁樣喐嘅。We call this kind of movement Brownian motion。用阿 Robert Brown 當時 observe 到嘅嘢，佢定義咗呢個嘅喐動叫做 Brownian motion。好 ，so we go back to the explanation here. So if we refer to the kinetic motion model, this is called kinetic motion model. The large ball represent the oil droplet in the previous case. 嗰啲當係脂肪粒。 細粒嘅珠珠 they represent the water particles. So the explanation will be there are lots of water particles in diatom milk. The size are much smaller than flat droplets. That's why you can't see it. They are moving in all different directions. So they hit 佢會撞擊，哇！呢粒聲打得好核突，再打多次先，用 mouse 寫字好難。They hit the oil droplet from different directions, making the oil droplet move randomly. 佢會不停咁周圍咁嘅特別咁喐。Okay, so back to the Albert Einstein's explanation， 愛因斯坦就講呢啲嘢，就係 water particles they are much smaller than the pollen grains. They move randomly in different direction. So hit the pollen grain in different direction from time to time， 令到佢有鋸齒形嘅喐動 zigzag path。呢個喐動稱之為 Brownian motion， 好冇 ？Okay, so this is the last part of some simple experiment or phenomenon that can be explained by particle theory.